In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a customer profile fast and easy. Whether you're new to WordPress or just want a straightforward guide, I've got you covered. Let's dive in and simplify this process. First, you need to head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage your entire website, including your customer profiles. To get there, open your browser and navigate to your WordPress admin URL. Once you're there, log in with your credentials, and you'll be welcomed by the dashboard interface. Next, let's locate the WooCommerce section. This is where all your store management tools are housed. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, you should see a sidebar with different options. Scroll down until you find the WooCommerce tab and click on it. This will open up a submenu with additional options. Now you want to focus on the Customers tab within WooCommerce. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a page where all your customers' information is stored. Here, you can view a list of all your registered customers. If you're just getting started and don't see any profiles, that's perfectly normal. Once your store grows, this area will be populated with all your customer data. Assuming you do have customers, look through the list and locate the profile you wish to edit. Click on the relevant profile, and this action will take you to the Edit section. It's here you'll perform any changes needed for that specific customer. Once you're in the Edit Customer Details page, you'll find various fields such as name, email, address, and phone number, among others. You can scroll through and modify any information that needs updating. It's as simple as clicking on the field, typing in the new information, and saving your changes. One important tip: always double-check the information you enter to ensure there are no errors. Accurate data is crucial for providing excellent customer service and maintaining a well-functioning online store. After you're satisfied with your edits, look for the Save or Update button on the page. Clicking this will apply all your changes to the customer's profile. Congratulations! You've successfully edited a customer profile in WordPress using WooCommerce. And that's it! As you can see, managing and editing customer data is straightforward and can be done swiftly with just a few clicks. Hopefully, this guide made the process a little less daunting and a whole lot easier. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you become more comfortable with editing customer profiles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tutorials. Happy managing!